Nancy from ASU Adult Education, and we're going to learn about another math skill today. We're going to learn about absolute value. The objectives is to find what absolute value is and to use it in real-life problems. Absolute value is a distance from zero. Bars are used to show absolute value. Absolute value of -2 is 2, and the absolute value of 2 is also 2, because that's how many units they are from 0. The notation we use to show absolute value is a pair of vertical bars like those seen below. Both of these numbers, +7 and -7, represent a point that is 7 units away from the origin. The direction does not matter in absolute value. Just count how many units the number is from 0. To read the expression -9, you would say the absolute value of -9. How would you read the next one? The absolute value of 14. Because absolute value refers to a distance on a number line, it is always positive number. Looking at the number line below, we see that -9 is 9 spaces away from 0. Plot -9 on the number line. +9 is also 9 spaces from 0. Plot 9 on the number line. So the absolute value of -9 is 9, and the absolute value of 9 is equal to 9. Negative signs outside the absolute value bars. If you have a negative sign outside the absolute value bar, the expression is read the opposite of the absolute value. Example, negative and then the absolute value of 6. You read that as the opposite of the absolute value of -6. Start evaluating within the bars. -6 is 6, so the opposite of +6 is -6. When evaluating, simplify the values within the bars first. So now I have 12 plus 3 equals 15. Next, I have absolute value of 18 minus absolute value of -5. That's the same as 18 minus 5, which gives you 13. Your turn. Evaluate each expression. Word problems using absolute value. Sasha's home is 212 feet above sea level. She participated in a scuba dive in which she descended to 80 feet below sea level. Which integer describes Sasha's change in position from her lowest point of her dive to her home above sea level? So which one do you think it is? The answer is D. I take the absolute value of -80 plus 212. Another word problem. The absolute value of the difference between two numbers on a number line is the distance between the 2 points on a number line. What is the difference between -4 and 7? The answer is D. Absolute value of -4 plus 7 gives you 11. Questions, email me at nancycrumball@asun.edu.